Hey guys, welcome back to the D&M Toy Club. Tonight we are going to check out our toy toolbox for kids. A really cool educational video. Let's check it out. Are you guys a clubster, by the way? Are you subscribed to the D&M Toy Club? If you're not a D&M Toy Club clubster, then you need to subscribe, and the red button right down there, the subscribe button right there. Hit that red button and you can check out all of our new videos every day. Let's take a look at this huge collection of toy tools. Let's go. Whoa, check out the toy crane. Cool construction truck. Boy, that is a big toy truck. Wait a minute, that's a real toy. That's a real dumpster. That's not a toy. Cool, let's check out the next. Awesome. Look at the size of that bolt. That's a screw in a lug nut. And you put the lug nut on by just twisting it on the bottom. Whoa, that's awesome. C-clamp. Awesome. C-clamp is so cool. You can put that together with anything. Take a look at the screwdriver. Whoa, it's a power drill. Remember, if you like our videos, give us a big thumbs up. What do we have up next? It's a bulldozer. Check out the bulldozer. Cool bulldozer. Man, look at our big toy collection. Power drills, hammers, saws, screwdrivers, double-sided wrenches, and calipers. Check out all these cool toolbox toys. All right, here we go. We had another one. Adjustable wrench. How does that work? Oh, you twist that little dial and you can fit it to the size of the lug nut. That is cool. All right, let's take a look at our next one. It's a toy train. Toy trains. It's Thomas's friend. You guys know who that is? Tell us in the comments if you know who this is. Which train is it? From Thomas the Train. Construction truck. Look at all of that dirt. Look at the size of that truck. That's definitely not a toy truck. That is a real bulldozer. All right, let's get our gloves on. We got a new pair of gloves. What do we have? Ooh, wow, the Black & Decker drill. Calipers. Bam. Bam. Check out the two-sided wrench. Oh, the jackhammer. Everyone loves the jackhammer. Wow, look at this collection. This was a new set. Cool. Wrench. That's an adjustable wrench too. Cool play tools, man. Those are awesome. And let's take a look again at the rest of our collection. We got more calipers and screws and Phillips screwdrivers. Whoa, look at these pliers. Let's see, what can you do with a plier? Hey, give us a big thumbs up, guys. Cool. We'll see you guys on the next video. D&M Toy Club.